Hi, welcome to the other 167. For our short meditation today, let's turn to the book of Psalms 24, verse 1. Psalms 24, verse 1. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it, the world and all who live in it. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it, the world and all who live in it. So, who is the owner? It's God, not we. We own nothing. The Lord, by His wisdom, laid the earth's foundation, and He sets the heaven in place by us understanding. When God created the world, He made Adam and placed him in the garden to work. All we have can be classified under time, treasure, and talent. Time is very scarce, is very precious. It cannot be stored, it cannot be accumulated. We need to put our time to the best use. Of course, we are supposed to work, take leisure, have recreational activities, physical, social. All that is very fine. The resources and the wealth God has entrusted to us has to be put to the best use. We are supposed to increase them, put to productive use, not just to maintain it. The talents, the skills, the abilities God has given to us have to be put to the best use. That's what God expects. Jesus told a parable in the Gospel of Matthew chapter 25. A man, while going to a distant place, he entrusted his wealth to his servants. He called 3 servants. To the first he gave 5 talents, and to the second he gave 2 talents, and to the third 1 talent, according to their ability. The one who got 5 talents, he traded it and gained 5 more. So also the one who received 2 talents, he traded it and received 2 more. But the one who received 1 talent, he went out and dug it under the ground. And when the master came, he settled the accounts. The first one came and stood before the master and said, "Master, you gave me 5, I gained 5 more." Master was pleased. "Good, faithful servant." That's what master told him. The second one also told he gained 2 more. But the third one said, "I was afraid. Put the talent you gave me, I dug it, and here it is what belongs to you." The master said, "You lazy, wicked servant." God is calling us to put to use all that He has given us to the best use, to produce it, increase it, and to be a blessing to others. That's what God has entrusted to us. Even when we say, "My power, the strength of my hands have produced the wealth for me," that is, we can read it in Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 17. But God is reminding, even the Lord your God is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth. But the ability to produce wealth comes from the Lord. The wisdom comes from God. The strength, the physical, emotional, mental abilities, all given by God. It's God who gives everything. We own nothing. So I close here. 3 points I wanted to bring out. 1. God is the owner. God is the owner of everything. We have nothing. We, our families, our resources, everything we need to give to God. Use it for God, for His glory, according to His will and purpose. 2. We are responsible. As stewards, good stewards, we have a responsibility to increase it, to put to best use what the Master has entrusted us with. 3. We will be called to account. Like in the parable, the Master came and took the account, settled the account. God will call us to account what we have done with all that He has given us. So let's be good stewards, remembering everything we have is God's and we are only stewards or managers or administrators and we are responsible to put to the best use, and we will be called to give an account by the Master what we have done with all that He has entrusted. So may God help us to put to the best use all that God has entrusted with. May God bless us with these words. Thank you.